Hello, welcome to our video series dedicated to UserLock SSO. I'm Kate Fleming, Product Manager at IS Decisions. In a previous video, we saw how to activate the SSO feature, and we showed how to protect a user's Microsoft 365 account with MFA. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a SSO backup server and what to do in case the main server crashes. Only one SSO server can be active at any given time. And if this server were to crash, the redirection of active authentication requests would fail, preventing all users from accessing the application. The existence of a backup server will allow you to reduce downtime in case of a major problem with a simple switch of the internal DNS. Let's look now at how to install an SSO backup server. So I'm launching the UserLock package. Here again, you must select a custom installation to install the SSO components. And to deactivate the UserLock service and web applications. Now that the installation is successful, I can launch the UserLock console, connect to the remote server, and navigate to the SSO feature. On this page, we see the settings defined in the previous video with the SSO server active. We see the URL of the identity provider and the information about the SAML certificate, such as its expiration date and the date of the next renewal. We also have a new section dedicated to the backup server. Simply click on this button to configure it. And here again, we can add the URL of the identity provider to the intranet zone, and our backup server is configured. Now we will simulate an incident on the primary server to see what actually happens on the user side and how to react in case of a problem. So here I'm going to turn off my main server. To better understand what happens when the SS server goes down, we will do a connection with our test user ARIA. And after a few seconds, the logon request fails as we expected. So in this case, the administrator will need to react quickly. To do this, you'll have to go to your domain controller and open the DNS manager. Then you need to modify the record that corresponds to the URL of the SSO server targeting the backup server. You will notice here that the TTLs have been reduced to a minimum to speed up the propagation of the modification of the record. And now we're going to do a new connection test with ARIA. And we see the connection is restored and MFA comes up. And ARIA can connect again. This has been a quick look at how to configure a backup SSO server and especially how to modify the DNS so that users are not blocked for too long in case of major problems on the primary server. Thank you for watching this video. You can go ahead and download a fully functional trial of UserLock from our website to conduct your own tests with this feature.